Hello students, good morning. Once again, welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mova for class 5 grammar. We have started our revision and also finished chapter 5 as a verbs. Today we are going to start our chapter 8, the present tense. We already studied in present tense, simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to express a habitual action or a general truth. Eagles fly in the sky. Honesty is the best policy. With singular nouns and pronouns, we add s, es or ies. For third person singular, we studied third person singular, he, she, it, and singular name. We use verb with s, es or ies. With I, you and plural nouns and pronouns, we use the root forms of the verb, base form of the verb, to indicate the simple present tense. I like books by Mark Twain. We do not use the root form of the verb be alone. Instead, we use is mr. Do you know? To be verb form. I am a hard-working student. So here am is a main verb. The following are the always to form the simple present tense forms of the verbs. Plays, sits, swims. Only we add s. Es. Watches, goes. Verbs ending in s, ch, sh, x, o or z. We add es. If the verb ends in y, change the y into I and add es. Carry, C-A-R-R-Y, then carries. C-A-R-R-I-E-S. Okay, as per activity and paper style, exercise A. Complete the sentences using correct forms of the verbs given in brackets. Before eating, we always wash our hands. Why we here use wash? Because we is the plural form of the I, we. We always use plural form, plural subject with base form of the verb. I drink tea without sugar. Rajat always speaks. Here we use verb with s, speaks, because Rajat is a third person singular. This parcel contains a gift for your mother. This parcel, the parcel is a singular subject. Roman 2. Rewrite the sentences by changing the singular nouns into their plural forms. Make other changes if necessary. This man walks in the park every Sunday. Here this we have to convert into plural. This, then we convert the. Man, man, it's plural. Men, man. This man walked. Do you know? With plural subject we put base form of the verb walk. That woman works very hard. That those women work. Those women work very hard. This little girl revises her lessons daily. This, this we convert into plural. Ths, these little girls revise. Plural subject, so we use base form of the verb. The infant sleeps comfortably in its crib. The infants sleep comfortably in their cribs. I have put the book on the shelf. We have put the books on the shelves. Okay, as per present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense to talk about actions that are in progress, continuing at the time of speaking. Sonali is writing a letter to her friend. The little boys are playing with their elder sister. The helping verbs is, are and am combined with the ing form. Here exercise D. Change the sentences from the simple present tense to the present continuous tense. The old woman sits. Here the old woman is a singular subject. So we use is. Do you know? I with am. We with are. You are. You are. He, she, it. Third person singular subject. Use is. He is, she is, it is. It's plural, they are. So here the old woman is sitting. Always in present continuous tense. Am is are plus verb ing form. Keep in mind. The dog plays in the garden. The dog is playing. The teacher sews. The teacher is sewing. The students collect. Here these students, it's a plural subject. So we use the students are collecting. Shimran and Tarun. Here more than one person. So it's plural. The Simran and Tarun are getting. Okay, I hope you understand this exercise. Next, fill in the blanks with present continuous form. Shupriya is acting. Here they given in bracket only base form of the verb act. We have to convert into present continuous tense. Then keep in mind am is are plus verb ing. As per subject we put am is are. Supriya is a third person singular, so we use is acting. The telephone is ringing. If we leave the house at 9 am, we usually meet people who are going to work. She is not listening. The gardener is digging. Mother is sewing. The sun is setting. People are waiting. People more than one person. So people are waiting. Okay. As per that present perfect forms of the verbs. I have checked the notebooks of all the students. Our neighbors have bought. Samira has opened. In that present perfect tense, we use has, have plus verb past participle form. I have checked. Our neighbors have bought. Samira has opened. The children have reached. Do you know how to use? I have, we have, you have, you have. He, she, it and singular name with has and they have. Our school has started. Karnika has not taken. Have you not written? Has your daughter done? Okay. Spectators gather to watch the tennis watch. Spectators have gathered to watch the tennis. Lata presents her school. Lata has represented her school at the inter-school competition. People here hear the news about the flood. People here have heard the news about the flood. Okay, I hope you understand revision of chapter 5 and 8. In our further video, we will go as per our paper style. Okay, learn by heart. Thank you.